To delete your last trips on Expedia, follow these steps. First, navigate to the Expedia homepage, where you'll find various sections at the top, including options to change language, list of property, access support, view trips, and manage your account. Under the search section, you'll see your recent searches and recently viewed properties. To view all your trips, click on the Trips option and wait for the page to load. This will display all your upcoming and past trips. However, you won't have the option to delete your past trips directly. The only ways to remove them are to create a new account or wait until you book more trips, which will eventually replace the old one. To book a new trip, start by clicking on Stays, then choose your destination and dates, select the number of travelers, and click Search. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of results. Choose a stay, and you'll be taken to this page. From there, click on Reserve a Room, then select either Reserve Now or Pay a Property. Finally, fill out the required form with your information. Unfortunately, deleting past trips on Expedia is not a straightforward process, and the methods mentioned earlier are the only ways to remove them.